So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add outline to a table here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top here and press on the table to insert a table to the presentation. I will select the purple one right here for this example. Now, if you want to add an outline, it's super simple. Press on the table right here. Simply go to the right-hand side to where it says Table Outline, just like this. You can go ahead and actually select the outline. So if you want to have no outline whatsoever, you can do that. You can make the outline, normal. You can make it kind of, separated like this. You can make it dotted, whatever the case may be. You can also change the color. If you want to go ahead and maybe make it black to make it more, stand out a little bit more. You can also change the thickness or the thinness just like that. So you can kind of play around with it. But basically, that is how you guys can add a table to the outside, or sorry, how to add a outline to your table here in Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.